Hello friends, in this particular video I'm going to talk about there is a question posted by one of my student. Now before I start explaining this question, I would like to tell you that this particular video is going to be long. People who are interested in very fast solution, आप इस वीडियो में बीच के पार्ट स्किप कर सकते हो because I have to talk about lot of things in detail when I'm making this video. Now let's start with the things. The very first thing is subject maths. Topic is area of regular hexagon, area of sector, area of shaded portion details. Why I have given this heading? Because in this particular question we will be dealing with regular hexagon, we will be dealing with area of sector, and we will be dealing with area of shaded portion. Lots of detailing will be there. First focus on the question, what's given in the question. In the question part, it's given in the figure the center of circle is A. Now this figure I'm talking about. In this particular figure, the center of circle is A. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Now if you look clearly, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the regular hexagon I'm talking about. And they have given the side of the regular hexagon is 6 centimeter. Each side is 6 centimeter. Find the following. Area of segment BPF. BPF. You can clearly see this is the segment BPF I'm talking about. And we have to find area of shaded portion. Now, before I continue with this, I would like to highlight again that I have tried to cover up as many basics as possible. As many basic terms which are involved in this. सबसे पहले most of us don't know what a hexagon is. और उसके बाद what is regular hexagon is. अगर आपको पता है it's well and good, but I am sure there are students who don't know what a regular hexagon is. So I would like to first explain about the regular hexagon. Now when I talk about the regular hexagon, what we have over here is this solution is going to be long and detailed. First thing, what is a polygon? A polygon means closed flat shape of straight lines. We have got a closed flat shape of straight lines. What is closed flat shape of straight lines? At least 3 sides and 3 angles should be there. Examples are triangles. Triangle एक example है polygon का. कम से कम 3 sides होने चाहिए, 3 angles होने चाहिए. And quadrilaterals, they are also example of polygon. Now what we have over here is total measure. Total measure of any polygon is number of sides minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. Now ये formula काम करता है या नहीं? To check this we will take an example. First example will be example as a triangle which is, I'm really sorry for pausing the videos because I had certain disturbance while making this video. So let's move on further. Total measure is number of sides minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. Example of this triangle is 3 minus 2 into 180. Triangle में 3 sides होते हैं. 3 minus 2 we have to do. 3 minus 2 1 आता है. 1 into 180, this will give you 180 degrees. ये triangle का total measurement होता है. Using the same principle, if I am talking about a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral क्या होता है? Any 4-sided figure जिसमें 4 sided हो. Now 4 minus 2, 4 sides हैं. 4 minus 2 if you are going to do, we will get 2. 2 multiply by 180 degree. 2 multiply 180 degree equals 360 degrees. So this formula number of sides minus 2, जो भी आंसर आता है उसको 180 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं and we get total measure of a polygon. This formula works. Triangle के लिए काम करता है, quadrilateral के लिए करता है. So I sure enough it will work for hexagon as well. Now talking about hexagon. Hex, the word means 6 sides. 6 minus 2 is going to be 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 multiply by 180 degree. When we will take 4 multiply by 180 degree, 4 into 180 will be 18 4 the 72, 720 degree in total. So this particular hexagon we are talking about A, B, C, D, E, F. The total measurement will be 720 degree. But a regular hexagon has 6 equal sides. A regular hexagon has 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. So here what we can do is that angle BAF, this is angle of the regular hexagon BAF. This particular angle BAF equals 720 degree, जो इसका पूरा measurement है. The whole measurement of this hexagon is 720 degree. 720 degree divided by 6. 6 एंगल्स हैं, इसलिए टोटल नंबर ऑफ मेजर के हिसाब से 720/6, बिकॉज हर एक एंगल इक्वल है. 720 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 6 वी विल गेट एज 120 डिग्री. So angle for this BAF will be 120 degree. Next what we have here is that each angle is of 120 degree. Each side is of 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter क्यों? Because it's given. Side is 6 centimeter और regular hexagon है, so each side is 6 centimeter. Now to find area of regular hexagon, I have done certain constructions over here to explain you how to find area of regular hexagon. Now how to do this? To find area of regular hexagon, construction of diagonals gives 6 equilateral triangle. This is a regular hexagon. इसके अंदर मैंने diagonals construct किया. You can clearly see this is the diagonal, this is the diagonal and this is the diagonal. Diagonal क्या होता है? Opposite vertex को connect करने वाला straight line, that is called as a diagonal. So I have made 3 diagonals in this. Now all these diagonals, अगर आप carefully इसको देखते हो, it divides the entire hexagon into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles, and most probably these triangles are equilateral triangles. So अगर इन 6 में से किसी एक triangle को if we try to zoom in and understand how these triangles work, if we consider this triangle will look something like this. Now here in this particular triangle, what we can assume is this is side, this is side, this is side. All 3 are equal sides, but if we construct a perpendicular like this, which is the height of the triangle, that particular perpendicular will divide the base into 2 halves. Suppose this is 6 centimeter, so s by 2, this will be 3 centimeter, this will be 3 centimeter. Okay. Second thing what we will consider in this one is, once when we draw this particular perpendicular at 90 degree, we can see that this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, we can take Pythagoras theorem. Let's see how Pythagoras theorem works in this particular triangle. Now what I have done is, if we zoom on any of the triangle and if we draw height of it, internally it becomes 2 right angle triangle, where height square plus side upon 2 square equal to side square, that is Pythagoras theorem. You can clearly see this side square plus this side square equal to hypotenuse square. Basics of Pythagoras theorem I have applied, but I am interested in finding height. So what I am going to do is, height square plus side upon 2 square equal to side square. I will adjust this term. I will take side upon 2 the whole square on the other side. Now this becomes h square equal to side square minus s square upon 4. Why this 4 came? Because side square is side square and 2 square is 4. This was in plus. Going on the other side it becomes minus. So this becomes s square minus s square upon 4. Here denominator is 1. To make the denominators common, I have to take this 4 and multiply this s square. So this becomes 4s square minus s square upon 4. Denominator 4 becomes common over here. Then 4s square minus s square gives you 3s square. 3s square upon 4. But this is the value for h square. I am interested in finding the value for h, height only. So what I am going to do, I am going to take square root of this. This will become root 3 upon 2. 3 का square root root 3 आता है, 4 का square root will be 2 and side square will be side. Now here some student may ask about a doubt, sir, this answer can be plus or minus. Yes, it can be plus or minus, but negative side is rejected. Side can never be negative, so negative value को हमें reject करना है. Height becomes root 3 upon 2 into side. This is the value for the height. But we are interested in finding area of triangle. Area of triangle equals half into base into height. In this particular case, if you look clearly, this will be half into base. But this base is side upon 2 plus side upon 2. Base, the complete base जो है वो side upon 2 plus side upon 2 है. Multiply by height. Height क्या है? Height is the one which we have calculated just now, root 3 upon 2 into side. So this is the formula for area of triangle, half into side upon 2 plus side upon 2 into root 3 upon 2 into side. Now area of hexagon equals 6 into area of such triangles. We can clearly see in the hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles are there. So we are going to multiply 6 into area of such triangles. We are going to multiply 6 into this particular formula. Now 6 into half, side upon 2 plus side upon 2, half plus half is 1. So side upon 2 plus side upon 2 gives you side, multiply by root 3 upon 2 into side. This is the clear formula. Now when you simplify this, 2 ones are 2 threes are, this becomes 3, this 2 is gone, 3 into side, that is 3 side square, this root 3 remains at the top and 2 remains at the bottom. This is the formula of area of regular hexagon. Again I am repeating, this is the formula of area of regular hexagon. I know I have made it very lengthy, but अगर आपको ये सारे techniques पता हैं, you will never forget how to calculate area of regular hexagon. Moving further in this question, area of hexagon we already have as 3 root 3 upon 2 side square. Now area of hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, the hexagon which we have in our question, this I am talking about here. The answer will be 3 root 3 upon 2 multiply by side square, but side is given as 6. The side is given in the question as 6. So we are going to take that 6 over here. 3 root 3 upon 2 into 6 side square. The answer is going to be 2 ones are and 2 threes are. 3 6 is 18, 18 3 is 54, 54 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the hexagon given. This is the area of the entire hexagon, but we are not interested in finding the entire hexagon. We are interested in finding the area of segment BPF and area of the shaded portion. Means out of the entire hexagon we have to subtract area of this particular triangle. Now moving further, how we can move ahead? Area of segment BPF equal to area of sector ABPF minus area of triangle ABF. Area of segment BPF, this area of segment BPF equal to area of sector ABPF. इसको पूरा calculate करना है and you have to subtract area of triangle ABF. ये पूरा calculate करना है, इसमें से ये triangle का area you have to subtract and you will be getting area of segment BPF. Now moving further, area of sector ABPF. Now first we will be calculating this one. Area of sector ABPF equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi into radius. This is the standard formula. ये formula आपको याद होना चाहिए. This is the standard formula. So this is going to be 120 degree upon 360 degree multiplied by pi into radius. 120 upon 360. If you carefully see, 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 12 ones are, 12 threes are. So this will become 1 upon 3, and this 3 which will come over here, this will look something like this. 1 upon 3 into pi into 6 into 6. 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So this becomes 6 multiplied to 12 pi. You can keep the answer as it is, or you can simplify it further. Area of sector ABPF equal to 12 pi equals 12 multiplied 3.14. Now 12 threes is 36. 36 is as it is. And 14 twos is 28. So 12 threes is 36 and then that 28. This answer I'm not sure. I might have made certain errors in this, but approximately this answer comes. If you want, you can also leave this answer as 12 pi itself. Now moving further in the second part of this question, what we have over here is, now to find area of triangle ABF. To find area of triangle ABF, I'm talking about this small triangle ABF. What I have done is that I have just reversed this triangle. इस ट्राइंगल को मैंने उल्टा ड्रॉ किया है. Why? To find out certain things. Now area of triangle ABF, here AM is perpendicular to BF. AM जो है वो BF से perpendicular मैंने ड्रॉ किया है such that M is the midpoint of BF. M midpoint है BF का. Now if M is midpoint of BF, we can easily say that BM is equal to MF is equal to half of BF. Suppose अगर ये 6 सेंटीमीटर का पूरा है, then BM will be 3, MF will be 3. अगर ये टोटल 8 का है, then BM will be 4, MF will be 4. This is what the logic is. Second thing, what I have tried to prove over here is कि अगर मैं ऐसा एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करता हूँ, आई एम वेरी वेल अवेयर अबाउट द हेक्सागन प्रॉपर्टीज AB एंड AF. बोथ आर 6 सेंटीमीटर. ये 6 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 6 सेंटीमीटर है. एंड इफ आई एम ड्रॉइंग दिस एज अ परपेंडिकुलर, मतलब ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है. इफ दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड टेस्ट, ये हाइपोटेन्यूज है एंड द साइड टेस्ट वी कैन इजीली प्रूव बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. अगर दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को आप कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर सकते हो, देन इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर अस टू फाइंड आउट that both the triangles are like 30, 60, 90 triangles. I'm not going to invest much time on this because the video will keep on getting longer. It becomes very easy for you to prove that both the triangles are 30, 60, 90. अगर आप 30, 60, 90 का application उसमें करते हो, then 30, 60, 90 what it says, side opposite to 30 is half of hypotenuse. AM is going to be half of hypotenuse AF या hypotenuse AB. ये भी hypotenuse है इस triangle के लिए, ये hypotenuse है इस triangle के लिए. So AM will be half of this. This is 6, so AM will be 3, and this side MF will be root 3 upon 2 multiply by hypotenuse. Root 3 upon 2 multiply by hypotenuse. This will become 3 root 3. So the total base, I'm talking about the total base BF. The total base BF will be 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3, which will be 6 root 3. Now area of triangle ABF equals half into 6 root 3 into 3. How does it comes? Half into base. 6 root 3 आपका पूरा base है, multiply by height. We have calculated कि ये जो height AM है, this height is 3. Half into 6 root 3 into 3 जब आप calculate करते हो, 2 1s and 2 3s. 3 root 3 into 3 is going to be 9 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle ABF. Now area of segment BPF find out करने के लिए what we can do? Area of the entire sector minus area of the triangle. Area of the entire sector we have already calculated is 12 pi in our previous page, and here it's going to be 9 root 3. Area of segment BPF is going to be 12 pi minus 9 root 3. इसको calculate करना है. Again I'm saying I'm not sure about this calculation. I might have done certain errors over here, so be very careful while calculating this, and you're going to get area of segment BPF. Now area of shaded portion equals area of hexagon minus area of triangle ABF. Area of hexagon we have already calculated on the previous page as 54 root 3. Area of triangle ABF is 9 root 3. You just have to subtract 54 root 3 minus 9 root 3. अगर आप करते हो, you'll be getting as root 3 will be common outside, 54 minus 9 will come inside. So 54 minus 9 is going to be 45 root 3. Root 3 का value 1.73 है. If you are going to multiply with 45, 45 into 1.73 equal to 77.85. That's how I got it while practicing this question. Before I end this video, I want to say that this video has been extremely long, but I am helpless. मुझे हर एक point, हर एक basics cover करना था, so that students who are very weak in this particular kind of topics, this particular kind of question, they find it easy to understand. And people who are intelligent enough, they can always skip the other part of the videos and they can only see the part which is relevant to them. जो उनके लिए important है, आप सिर्फ वही part देख सकते हो. Now moving further, I also want to highlight few things. For videos like this, kindly like and subscribe my channel at the rate Vishal Singh QT9UQ, that is on YouTube. Next is share knowledge with your friends. Better videos will keep coming here. For any doubts, difficulties or feedback, you can always text me on my email ID which is mentioned, my WhatsApp number or my Instagram. Before I also wanted to add on few things, but instead of speaking, since I've got very tired explaining all this entire explanation, I would just read what I wanted to highlight. Always remember, brain capacity and human willpower is endless. Study for knowledge and understanding of subjects. Find basic formulas, connections. Now this I have said because if you know every basic, each and everything from start to end, you can always solve any kind of question. What else I have mentioned is, I have given an example. A long bridge is constructed, and this is an engineering marvel for years. You consider any big bridge which is being constructed, it's an engineering marvel, but it is not done in one day. It takes years to make it. So always follow your passion, do what you love with full dedication, and you will be successful soon enough. Best wishes from my side, and sincere apologies for making this video so long. Thank you so much all of you. I would keep on working as hard as possible to make better and improved videos. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much one more time.